Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video I will show you how to open an HTML file in Microsoft Edge so you can quickly view your web pages locally. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open File Explorer on your computer by clicking the folder icon on the taskbar or pressing Windows+E. Step 2. Navigate to the location where your HTML file is saved and right-click on the file. This file usually has a .html extension and contains the structure of a web page. Right-clicking lets you access more options for opening it. Step 3. Hover over Open With and then click on Choose Another App. This option allows you to select a specific program instead of the default one. Step 4. Select Microsoft Edge from the list of available apps. Microsoft Edge is a web browser that can display HTML files just like a live website. Choosing it ensures the file opens properly with full formatting. Step 5. Click to open the file in Microsoft Edge and your HTML page will load in the browser, allowing you to view the design, text and layout as intended, which is helpful for testing or previewing web content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.